Hi guys! Today we are speaking about a rotary machine for tattoo and permanent makeup from the company Dragonhawk. Its name is Atom. This is a cheap machine. We ordered it on famous marketplace. I will leave the link in the description of the video. Would you like to know more details? Stay until the end of the video. Remember to share this with your friends. Let's start. My name is Olga Yakovleva. I am permanent makeup artist, trainer, cosmetologist and tattoo artist. I'm just beginning to speak English. It's my first video in English, so I can make a little mistakes in pronunciation. I will be happy for your support, understanding and likes. Subscribe to the channel, leave comments and support us. What do we know about the company Dragonhawk? It's a Chinese company with a warehouse in Hebei and founded 2001. All products comply with international quality standards. Their main products are tattoo needles, tattoo and permanent makeup machines and tattoo pads. The products be affordable price and easy of use. Now let's talk about the box. From the outside it looks like an ordinary black box. It doesn't have logos and any information. So let's see what's in the box. I'm seeing second box with the clip cord. The tattoo clip cord connector has DC interface. There is foam rubber. It protects atom from damage during transportation. Here's the atom. It's a rotary pen. I have a red pen. I'm feeling it's heavy, but it's ergonomic. So I will talk more about atom. You don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I will tell you very interesting information and share relevant content with you. The company Dragonhawk informs the machine weight is 135 grams. We will check it on the scales. The weight is not correct. It on the scales is 131 grams. Narrow grip provides optimum comfort, but your hand needs to get used to the weight. Atom has 4 colors: red, black, silver and gold. I bought this tattoo machine for about $30. The diameter of grip is 20 mm. We can sterilize the grip because it's fully removed. The Dragonhawk company doesn't give information about the sterilization the grip. Based on my experience, I use disinfectant and autoclave for grips, but I don't use the high temperature sterilizer box because it can affect the color of grips. Atom is compatible with tattoo cartridges from Vertex, Defender, Mask, Quadron, Cheyenne, Envy and others. The needle protrusion is adjusted by turning the grip. It's 4.5 mm. Based on my experience, I use the needle protrusion on this tattoo machine from 3 to 3.5 mm for good flow pigments. The stroke length is 3.5 mm. This is a factory setting that we cannot change. This tattoo machine is hybrid. Operating voltage is from 6 to 9 volts. The Dragonhawk company recommends for tattoo artists working voltage for lining is from 8 to 9 volts and for shading from 7 to 8 volts. I work in permanent makeup with voltage from 4.5 to 6.5 volts. This tattoo machine works with different power samples, but I prefer a power sample with current strength from 2 amperes. Let's turn on it. I will work with power supply from Dragonhawk. Next video on the channel will be about this power supply. Don't miss. I also will work with cartridges from Must and Big Wasp and Angel's pigments from Defender company. I turn on voltage 5. The tattoo machine has vibration, but not a lot. Guys, let's go! Again, my working voltage is 5 volts. I use a cartridge from Big Wasp with size 1001 RLLT. First test is shading. Pixels are quite big. The atom works well. Based on my experience, I use the needle protrusion on this tattoo machine about from 3 millimeters. Next test is lining. I turn on voltage 7. And next test I use a cartridge from Must with size 12-15 RM. Well, let's sum up our video review. This tattoo machine is from Chinese company with a history. The machine weight is about 135 grams. Atom price is about $30. It does all kinds of works, shading and lining. It works with different power supply and compatible with many cartridges from famous companies. I will leave links where you can buy these devices from video description. I will be happy for your support, understanding and likes. Subscribe to the channel, leave comments and support us. I wish you beautiful works. See you later.